How to add sticker on your Wechat account. Here's how. First, start by launching the Wechat app on your phone. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now on your profile screen, look for the sticker gallery option. Click on it and you will be taken to the stickers gallery. Browse through the gallery and check out the available sticker packs. When you find the sticker you want, hit the add button next to the sticker and it will be added to your sticker collection instantly. Additionally, you can repeat the process for as many stickers as you want. Once you have added your favorite sticker, go back to your chat screen and open any chat. In your chat, look at the message bar and tap the smiley face icon. Now that you have got your sticker ready, scroll through your collection and tap on the sticker you want to send. Once you tap it, it will automatically appear in the chat. So this is how to add sticker on your Wechat account.